Hey guys, it's another episode of the plant vlog, and as you guys can see, almost all of the plants here is like starting to wither out. Like you can see these tomatoes. They're starting to die because it's fall and it's getting colder every night. I mean I cannot do anything about it. It's just that I want to share this process to you guys because I feel like, you know, I've started this thing and I want to finish it. So these are some of the plants that's probably gonna survive. This sunflower, look at that, Lucas. These jalapenos, I don't know why, but they are thriving. Maybe because they're new plants. This cherry tomato is dying too. This parsley is like dying too. You can see here. The basil is dying. And you can see here, guys, that I have some cucumbers, but they are small. And this is a hemp ready to harvest. Over here, I don't know why, but for some reasons this tomato plants that I have here, they're surviving. So as you guys know, I mean we went to South Carolina and we just got back. So this plant is my plant inside. I don't know what's the name, but it's really pretty. Like I like how the leaves look like. You see how variegated it is? This one is a Monstera Adansoni. It's supposed to have leaves that have holes. You can see like the small ones. This is that. Yo guys, when I bought this plant, it was nothing, I'm telling you. And I bought it for free. I mean, I bought it for $5 for free. I bought it for $5. The lady at the garden was just like, just take it and I'll sell it to you for $5. So he just give it to me. So I'm just gonna leave her right there, but soon enough, because it's September, I'm gonna put all of these plants inside and I'm gonna try to like replant whatever that I have from the like to house plants. I'm gonna convert everything into house plants. Oh my god, I just love the clouds right now. We'll be together one sweet day. So, as you guys can see, there's more sunflowers here, which is very nice because I feel like they're very like they give so much happiness. I don't know, I think they give out happiness. The sunflowers. Look at this one, it's about to bloom. Oh my god, look at that. So crazy. Right there. There's one more here. Ooh, she's like, I'm ready to bloom. And there's one more. I gotta water this sunflowers because they're gonna bloom soon. So there's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sunflowers that's waiting to bloom. So yeah. And I think I've shown this one to you guys before, but this is the first sunflower that bloomed in my garden. You can see she's like leaning there. I don't know why, but she's supposed to be leaning towards the sun, but she's not leaning towards the sun now. So hello. Hi, lady. Look at that. It's crazy. I think this is actually the first time that I planted a sunflower. Oh no, it's not the first time. I had sunflowers before, but this is like the biggest sunflowers that I've had. I'm always a fan of plants, but I've never had like that much plants. You know what I'm saying? So can you imagine if I have a huge piece of land? I would have a lot of plants. So yeah, guys. I think just for now, I'm just gonna try to water them and harvest some of the tomatoes because I feel like it's really like they're really over. It's time for them to go. You can see how all of these tomatoes are like withered out. It's been raining lately, but it's just that the weather is just like dropping lately. So the lush garden that I used to have, it's all withering out. So this is probably gonna be like the last plant vlog that I'm gonna be making, because I'm gonna be making like indoor plants vlog. So I'm gonna, whatever that's inside my apartment, I'm gonna be making video vlogs about it, like propagation and stuff, string of hearts and snake plants, you know what I'm saying. Alright, so yeah guys, let me give you some happiness before I go. Yes! Huge ass sunflower of life. Alright guys, I'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Woo!